These are the brand new elevators at the brand new newly opened and just built Scaife Hall West Wing at the University of Pittsburgh in West Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are brand new Otis Gen 3 or maybe Gen 2, I think Gen 3 because they're 2022 installations with Compass 360. Get on the one, your car F. These are all 2-speed door hospital size cabs, all 3 of them.
Going down.
That doesn't do anything. And vandal resistant on the inside. I don't know why that is. And the alarm has a circle braille. Here we go down. $350 feet a minute, which is nice.
First floor.
Here one. Which is just Mac.
Going up.
Got a penthouse 2. This is the only one that comes down here. I'm not surprised. Had some trouble last time. This hopefully it registers this time because last time I had some trouble registering calls down here. Here we go. Here we go.
P2.
Penthouse 2. Sounds like there's a chiller up here. I'm guessing some of these stores are probably going to be locked eventually.
Going
And is this the only one that comes up here? Yep, this is the only one that comes up here. I think this is basically the service car. Back down to 4.
Going down.
Is the cabinet open? No, just a little loose. These are Morel. You can hear the Morel. It's a basic stainless steel hospital side cabinet, Big Brother. Again, there's still a construction floor because there's still some stretching going on here. Hopefully we're going to 4. It doesn't even show it on either of the enunciators. We're probably going to 4.
Fourth floor.
Back at 4.
Going down.
Here closes, and that's going to be it.